Don't want to answer those incoming calls? Just want to get a voicemail instead? This video tutorial will guide you through the steps on how to configure your number to route straight to voicemail. The voicemail messages are then emailed to you. Come on, we'll show you how it's done. Since voicemail is not available on the Park plan, you'll need to have your number on the call forwarding plan. To update your plan, click on your number and then click the Options tab. From here, click Change Plan. Choose the call forwarding plan that best fits your needs. Remember that voicemail messages left by your callers do use minutes. Then, when you're ready, click Change My Plan. Next, you'll want to select the Voicemail and Text tab. Locate Ring My Phone, then Send Calls to Voicemail after, and the drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and click Immediately. Then, save your changes. From here, you'll see a blue bar across the top that says voicemail is set to immediately pick up calls. Now, when someone calls your number, they're going to route directly to your voicemail. When a voicemail message is left on your number, our mascot, the pig, will send you an email. This email will include the audio file attached in an MP3 format. We'll keep it on our servers for 60 days. We always recommend that you download the file and save it to your computer if you want to keep it longer. And note, we do not transcribe voicemail to text. If you're logged into your account online or you're on a mobile browser, you can also listen to voicemail. Click the voicemail icon, then select the play button to listen to your message. You can also download, call back, or block the number. Have more questions? Feel free to reach out to our customer support team at support@numberbarn.com.